we are making hot and spicy chicken masala again. Snehal's recipe. You will have enjoyed the chicken recipe, which was very basic recipe, but today we're gonna make hot and spicy chicken masala. So let's get to it. So for that we've been cooking onion from last 10 minutes. We've been simmering it just about very brown. It's nicely done, little bit burnt, but that's okay. And within that, ginger garlic paste. So just some handful of ginger garlic paste, fresh ginger garlic. And now I have also prepared this garam masala. So in that I have grinded all this. So in that we have some black pepper, some cardamom, some javitri. I have no idea what that is in English, but I'm sure we can find in the ethnic shop. Then we also have some cinnamon stick and some cloves, and we also have some star anise seeds. So that's what I have taken, and that's what comes out when I grind all of them. Consistency is up to you, I think, but we are making really hot, so that's why we have taken black pepper more and some cloves more. But ideally you want to go slow, go easy on this black pepper and the cloves. So now we're gonna just add that into this, mix it well, and mind you, this does taste really well if you burn this spice a little bit. So let it stick to the pan. We can add water on this anyway. So once that is cooked, I'm gonna just add some chopped tomato, and my mom is preparing fresh coriander. So we're going to just add that towards the end as well. Looks like the spice is done. So I'm gonna add some more spices because, as we said, we are making hot and spicy chicken masala. So we're gonna add 2 spoons of garam masala, which is a ready-made garam masala from the market. 1 very generous spoon of chili powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, and 3 or 4. This is cumin and coriander mixture, so I'm gonna take 4 spoons of this because I have also added some cumin seed and coriander seed into my grinder as well. So that in goes all the powder spice. Just a pinch of asafoetida, the hing does wonder sometimes, and that's about it. Now get some lovely color into the curry. We are going to add roughly 2.5 spoons of Kashmiri chili powder. We will add tomato, chopped tomato. I'm gonna add some water into it so it doesn't stick to the pan, and we'll have really nice gravy, thick gravy from it. So this sauce is nearly ready. So all I'm going to do into the sauce, I am going to add the chicken. In goes the chicken. So I'm gonna leave it for about 45 minutes. Let it cook on a medium heat. While I'm at it, I'm gonna add some coconut powder, just to get a bit of extra flavor of coconut, but also make the gravy slightly thicker as well. I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes and then we'll have a look at it. Then we'll add some yogurt. Until then, okay, so it's about 20 minutes. Okay, look at that. The chicken is half cooked, I think. Thank you, Snehal. Yeah. So it's time to add some yogurt now. Just about 4 or 5
Spoon is
spoons.
enough?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Let's see, Snehal, what's going on with our chicken.
Now we are going to add some bunch of coriander.
Have a taste. If you need to add anything, have a taste of the sauce.
Wow. That's really great. It's spicy. It's really spicy.
But we did say it is going to be hot and spicy. Do we need to add some yogurt?
I don't think so.
Yeah, let's keep it hot and spicy. Okay, so this one actually I have prepared for my next door cousin. She landed us about 4 or 5 tomatoes and 3 onions actually, which we were running out for to make this recipe. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give her a shout and give her the flavor of this recipe as well. How are you, sir? Usa, there you go. That's my cousin. It's really a बहुत ही cool और अरे hot जो जो ये मुझे पकड़
फिर हम लोग खाना देंगे तो दर्द दर्द सके अरे
So this is how it's done. Now she will make something tomorrow and she's gonna give it exactly this way. So there you go. Enjoy, Usha. Hot and spicy chicken masala from Snehal.
Okay, thank you Joy very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
You should say this to my subscriber, my loyal subscriber. I don't have that many, but whoever I have, I really admire them. So
Friend or subscriber, please subscribe Joy's channel, like it and comment it. Thank you very much.